get initial water upstairs. So you're going to use the building construction to your advantage.
Okay.
So open your line. Open all of them.
Do it upside down here. How much water you get like this? Now put your line, go like this. Start pulling everything down. You want that shit to go. Just like that. Now you slowly. Now you would slowly progress up the stairs and into the bedroom. I can't flood this place right now. We're not at that point. But this is my expectation.
Let me show you what you just did too.
Come here.
Come over here. Let me show you something.
Look at that. That's the hole in the floor in that bedroom. How much water's running out of there?
That's how much water you got in those rooms by using the building construction and water method. So let's turn that off real quick, Cole.